Hello, my name is Tuesday, and this is Kayaking with Tuesday Face the Wave. Today is September 4th, 2021. I am on Nottley Lake at Jacks River Boat Ramp. Pretty nice. It's pretty deep around here. But the boat ramp is down this way. I'm going to see if I can zoom. See it right there. It's pretty quiet. I seen fish jump. I don't know what kind it was, but it was big. But this is Tuesday. Kayaking with Tuesday Face the Wave. Give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe. But you can find me on YouTube. Figured I'd show you this. It's Labor Day weekend. I see some people enjoying the great outdoors. It's pretty nice. I'm enjoying it, trying to get these tan on these legs here. They're awful white. But I'm on a little kayak. Love it. It's done me good. It's been through 3 states, ocean. It floats. Haven't sunk in it yet. No holes in this boat. Anything. But it is very, very nice. And I think everybody would like this little area here of Jack's Boat Ramp at Nottley Lake, Blairsville, Georgia. Again, this is Tuesday with Kayaking with Tuesday. Face the Wave. Have a great day.